And now to a crime alert after an altercation leads to a shooting in northwest Miami-Dade.
Deputies say a man shot at two people before stealing a car. Let's go to Local 10's Lily Sue Paul. She's live at that scene.
And she has the very latest right now in the search for that suspect. Any leads?
Well, we know it was a close call for two people caught in the crosshairs of gunfire. No one took a direct hit, but one of the victims was pistol whipped before the shooter pulled the trigger. And this afternoon, that shooter is on the run. A northwest Miami-Dade community at the center of a crime scene. Police tape stretched across Northwest 90th Street as officers interview neighbors and potential witnesses about the string of violence that unfolded just before 8 a.m.
It's a scary morning because this morning I woke up and I saw my mom outside. I didn't know what's going on. And right now my mom is kind of worried too because we don't know what happened.
Mirza Estrada is familiar with the neighborhood. Frequent trips to visit her mother have been peaceful until now. This alert from the Miami-Dade Sheriff's Office says the fight started early this morning when someone approached two people, but tempers quickly flared, prompting that person to pull out a gun and hit one of the two in the head. The shooter started firing, then jumped into an empty car and took off.
This is very dangerous, especially for them that they live by themselves, and I'm kind of worried.
A lot of concern in the community this afternoon. Now, this is located near the North Side Shopping Center, and witnesses tell me that the shooter went west to Northwest 90th Street and then took a direct turn south down 32nd. Of course, investigators still keeping an eye out. They're asking everyone in the community to do the same. Reporting live in Northwest Miami-Dade, Lily Sue Paul, Local 10 News.